Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have seen the matrices chapter, that is the definition of the matrix, how to find the order of the matrix. So, now we will move for the next topic of second PUC, that is determinants. Next topic is determinants. You can see here, dear students, determinants you will get total 12 marks for your annual exam. You will get total 12 marks from this determinant topic. You will get one question for 1 mark. One question you will get for 1 mark, then one question you will get for 2 mark, one question you will get for 4 mark, and another question you will get for 5 mark. Total 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 12. Total 12 marks you will get for your annual exam. Okay. Now, we will move for the definition of the determinant. What is the definition of the determinant? Okay. How to find the determinant? Now, we will see. See here, we have already seen the definition of the matrix. Matrix is nothing but just a rectangular arrangement of the numbers or functions. Okay. Now, the definition of determinant, every square matrix, remember the word, every square matrix can be associated a number or a expression is called determinant of that matrix. I will repeat, for every square matrix, we can associate a number, means we can find a number or we can associate a expression that is called determinant. The symbol of determinant is this one. This one we will read as determinant of A or determinant of A, or this is also symbol of determinant. Remember, dear students, this is a determinant, not modulus. It is not modulus, it is the determinant, because modulus means we have always positive value, but it is a determinant, we may get positive also, we may get negative also. So, remember, it is not modulus, we will read this one as a determinant. Okay. If we solve 1 or 2 examples, then definition of the determinant will be very clear. See here, suppose A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix is given. What is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2 or 2 by 2. Then determinant of this matrix is denoted by determinant of A, which is equals to, this is the symbol to denote the determinant, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Matrix means we will show in a square bracket. Determinant means just we will write the numbers in a 2 parallel lines, between 2 parallel lines. So, this is the determinant of A. Okay. Remember another important thing, determinant, we can talk about the determinant if and only if it is a square matrix. Suppose matrix of order 1 cross 3 is there, we cannot talk about the determinant. Determinant always exists for a square matrix. Square matrix means what? Number of rows is equals to number of columns, then only determinant we can find. Otherwise, it is not possible to find the determinant. This is the first definition of the determinant we have seen. Determinant is nothing but for every square matrix, we can associate a value or we can associate an expression. It is nothing but determinant. In terms of function, we will see the another definition of the determinant. In terms of function, see here, determinant is a function from m to k. Determinant is a function from m to k. This you already know, this is nothing but input, this is nothing but output. See here, m means set of all square matrices. Set of all square matrices. This k is nothing but set of all numbers. Set of all numbers. Numbers may be real, numbers may be complex. Determinant is nothing but it is a function from m to k. Means m is nothing but set of all square matrices, means input value is always a square matrix, then output value we will get some value, that is k is nothing but some value. So, this is the another definition of the determinant. Remember, function means what? For every input we will get a unique output. Function means for every input we will get a unique output. Similarly here, for every input of the square matrix, we will get one output real number, unique real number or complex number, that is determinant of square matrix. Okay. After solving one or two examples, this will be very clear what is the definition of the determinant. Before going to this one, I will tell you what is the difference between matrix and determinant. Just we will see what is the difference between matrix and determinants. Okay. See here, here I will consider matrix, here I will consider determinant. Okay. Just to identify the difference between matrices and determinant, I am telling this one. First thing, matrix is denoted by this symbol, matrix is denoted by this symbol, determinant is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of the matrix, this is the symbol of the determinant. Then second very important point is, matrix, order of matrix may be anything, maybe 1 cross 3, 3 cross 1, 2 cross 2, any order. But in the case of determinant, order is always square. Order is always square, means 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, maybe 4 cross 4, anything, m value is always equals to n value. M value is always equals to n value. This is the second difference between matrices and determinants. Is it clear? First one is this one, second one is this. Then third one, matrix is just an arrangement. Matrix is just an arrangement. We cannot able to find the value of the matrix, but in a determinant we can find the value of the determinant. We can find the value of the determinant. These are the three major difference between matrices and determinant. Now we will see how to find the determinant. Okay. First thing, determinant of order 1 cross 1. First, you will see how to find the determinant of order 1 cross 1. Okay. See here, dear students. For example, one matrix is given, A is equals to 2. Order of this matrix is 1 cross 1. Then, with respect to this matrix, we can represent the determinant as determinant of A is equals to 2. With respect to this, if A is a square matrix, with respect to this, determinant of this matrix is denoted by determinant of A, it is equals to 2. So, to find value of the determinant, just write the number as it is, that is our determinant. For example, if they ask find the value of the determinant, if they give 4, then answer is nothing but directly equals to 4. This is 1 cross 1, simple one. How to find matrix of order 1 cross 1, then corresponding determinant means determinant of order 1 cross 1 is over. Now we will see how to find the determinant of order 2 cross 2. Determinant of order 2 cross 2. Suppose one determinant is given, I will consider general A11, A12, A21, A22. Then we have to find the value of this determinant. Value of this determinant is denoted by this determinant is equals to, first multiply the principal diagonal elements, that is A11 into A22 minus multiply these elements, that is A12 into A21. This is our required answer of determinant of order 2 cross 2. I will repeat, first multiply the principal diagonal elements, that is A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. We can see one example here. Suppose A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to find the value of this determinant. What I told dear students, determinant of A is equals to, first multiply the principal diagonal elements. So what you will get, 1 into 4, that is 4, minus multiply these elements, 3 into 2, that is 6. So determinant value is equals to minus 2. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. Now I will repeat the definition. What I told you, determinant is nothing but for every square matrix we can associate a value. What I told, for every square matrix we can find a value. See here, dear students, here it is given is nothing but A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix. For this matrix I have associated one value. I have associated one value, that is minus 2. So, it is nothing but definition of the determinants. Okay. Then I have told you another definition also. Function is a determinant is a function from m to k, where m is what? Square matrix of order 2 cross 2. See here, I have considered square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Then output, what I told, k means some number. What we got the output? Minus 2. So, determinant is nothing but for every square matrix, we can associate one number that may be real, that may be complex, or we can associate an expression that is called determinant of the square matrix. Determinant of the square matrix. I hope it is clear how to find determinant of order 2 cross 2. Now, we will move for a very, very important one, that is the determinant of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of order 3 cross 3. After studying 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, we will move for determinant of order what? 3 cross 3. This one is the important thing, how to find the determinant of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of order 3 cross 3. Okay. See here everyone, suppose A is equals to, I will consider general determinant of order 3 cross 3, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, A31, A32, A33. To find determinant of order 3 cross 3, we have to remember this sign convention. That sign convention is plus minus plus. Cyclically we will change. After plus, which one will come? Minus. After minus, plus. Then after plus, which one will come? Minus, plus, minus. After minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. This is the sign convention of 3 cross 3, that is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Remember always this principal diagonal, if you take this diagonal, it is also plus plus plus, this diagonal also always plus plus plus. Now, I want value of the determinant of A. Okay. Remember here students, I will evaluate along first row. I will evaluate along first row. Okay. To evaluate along first row, we know the sign convention of this row, that is plus minus plus. We know sign convention of this one, that is plus minus plus. I want to evaluate along first row. Remember, consider the first element with sign. What is the first element? A11. What is the sign? Plus. So, A11 into, delete the corresponding column, delete the corresponding row, you will get a determinant of order 2 cross 2. Now, you know how to evaluate that one. I will repeat. First, remember, if you want to expound along first row, sign convention is plus minus plus. Remember, we have to consider sign convention for only which row we are expounding. I am considering along first row, so it is plus minus plus. Consider the first element with sign, that is plus A11. Delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, what you will get? A22, A23, A32, A33. Now, you know how to evaluate this one, so we will find the value. After this, move for the second element. What is the sign? Minus with A12 into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, what you will get? Write that one. That is A21, A23, A31, A33, A33. Then last one, sign is plus, plus A13 into, with respect to this, delete the corresponding column, corresponding row, you will get this 2 cross 2 determinant, right? That is A21, A22, A31, A32. I will repeat. First this element with sign, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, you will get this 2 cross 2 determinant right here, minus second element A12, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, you will get A21, A23, A31, A33 right here. Last one A13, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, you will get A21, A22, A31, A32 right here. Now finding value is very easy. A11 into, you know how to evaluate this one, multiply this A22 minus A22 into A33 minus these elements A23 into A32, then minus this one A12 as it is into, this is 2 cross 2 determinant, multiply this one A21 A33 minus this you multiply A23 A31 plus last one A13 into, multiply this one A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. This is the procedure to evaluate, okay. This is the procedure to find determinant of order 3 cross 3. This is a procedure to find determinant of order 3 cross 3. Okay. Just from this we can evaluate. Now we will see one example how to find determinant of order 3 cross 3, then it will be very clear for you. We can consider any example. Suppose A is equals to determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. Okay. I want to find value of this determinant along first row. I will evaluate. Okay. You can evaluate along first column, you can evaluate along second column, you can evaluate along third column. There are total 6 types you can find the value of the determinant along first row, second row, third row, or first column, second column, third column. You can evaluate along any row or any column, but remember this sign. If you want to evaluate along second row, then first element sign is minus, the second one is plus, then minus. So determinant of A is equals to, this one is plus, minus, plus. Okay. Remember dear students, important point, which row you are expanding, that sign only you consider. Don't consider sign of this one, sir, sign of this one is plus, sign of this one is minus. No. You have to consider sign only on which row you are expanding. Here plus 1 into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, what you will get 5, 6, 1, 2. You know how to evaluate. 5 into 2 is 10 minus 6. Next, second one is minus 2 into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, what you will get 4 to the 8 minus 6 into 0 is 0 plus last one 3 into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column, you will get a 2 cross 2 determinant, evaluate 4 ones are 4 minus 5 into 0 is 0. This becomes 1 into 10 minus 6 is 4 minus 2 into 8 minus 0 is 8 plus 3 into 4 minus 0 is 4, or it is equals to 4 minus 8 to the 16 plus 12, 16 plus 12. So this becomes 4 plus 12, you will get 16 minus 16 is equals to, determinant value is equals to 0. Determinant value is equals to 0. Okay. Just first one consider, 5 to the 10 minus 6 minus 2 into 4 to the 8 minus 0 plus 3 into 4 on the 4 minus 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 0 is 4. Now we can multiply 4 into 1 is 4, 8 to the 16 minus 4 3 is 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. This is the procedure to find value of the determinant of order 3 cross 3. This is the very important thing. Then I will tell 2 points here. Remember 2 points. If you expand along any row, if you expand along any column, value of the determinant will not change. Value of the determinant will not change. Means here I am expanding this along first row. If you want, you can expand along first column, second column, third column. You can check this one. Value always you will get 0. Means value will not change. Then point number 2. Point number 2. If a determinant containing any one row or any one column 0. Means suppose here it containing any one row 0 or any one column 0, then directly you write value of the determinant is equals to 0. Value of the determinant is equals to 0, because here if you consider 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. So, these are the 2 points we can remember. Okay. Remaining we will see in the next video. Thank you.